You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, the name of this animal. If you want to learn more confusing English vocabulary, and especially animal names that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. Lynx. So you have a bit of a k and an s sound. That's the sound of x. X, x, x. Lynx. Lynx. Easy once you know how to pronounce in English. Lynx. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.